If you like all kind of sweets and you got a sweet tooth and you love sugar, candy, and all that juicy goodness, then stay tuned because today I'll be reviewing this cotton candy machine right here. It's very easy to use, it's very compact, and you can start making your own cotton candy at home in just 3 easy steps, and make sure to stay tuned. So thank you to my family for helping me out. Don't have enough hands to unpack this, but to give you a little idea, it's very easy to unpack. It comes in a couple of pieces. You have the main base, which is the heat for the cotton candy. You have the plastic cone shape that holds in all the sugary goodness that when it heats up, and that's about it. And that's it for the whole box. So to put it together, it's pretty easy. You have the base that has suction cups on the bottom. You put it down on any surface or table, and the suction cups hold it down to the table, so you don't have to worry about it moving or anything else, so it's pretty sturdy. Then you put that plastic piece around it, the first part of it on the bottom, and then you put that metallic piece, and that metallic piece is actually where you store the candy, which could be anything you want. Any sugar candy, hard candies, even real sugar, just plain sugar that you put in your tea or coffee, which I'll show you later how that actually works, turning that into cotton candy. And by the way, this is the second half. You put that second half and you're ready to go and start making your cotton candy. So today we're going to be using some berry flavored candy. We currently have it that it's really big, so we're going to crush it up and then put it inside. But usually you can most candies will fit right in there, but if not, we're going to crush it up. And we had a lot of fun using metallic hammer crushing those candy up, so it's pretty good. Plan on crushing up some big candies and you plan on using metallic hammer, please have a parent or guardian watching you over so you don't kill your hands or anything. So the first thing that needs to happen is the machine has to warm up. It takes about 5 minutes, so while that's happening, please subscribe, smash that like button to support me, and stay tuned for more of my content. So here it is. You can see the grill right there. It's heating up. It's metallic. It's kind of like making waffles. You have the little grill that heats up. So these are the wild berry drops that we're using. They're flavored in all kind of sugary candy and sugary flavors. But you don't necessarily have to use that. You can use anything that is a hard candy. So that is a crushed up version right there. So the first step you have to do before you put that in is you turn it off. It stops spinning. You put the candy in. And then once it stops, you put the candy and you turn it back on. The reason you do that is you want the machine to warm up first before you start doing it at all, so you can actually turn those hard candies into the cotton candy that you see right now. And as you can see, this set comes with 2 cotton candy 6, blue and pink, and they're made out of plastic, so all you have to do once you're done is you eat the candy, take it off, you wash it with soap, and that is it. And the most important part about this, it is very easy to do. It requires no time, no effort, easy setup, great candy, great flavors, and all that. And this is an example of using sugar. This is just plain sugar that you put in your tea, coffee. If you just want cotton candy and you don't have the ability to go to the store and grab any kind of candy, like right now we're stuck all at home, or you probably try to stay at home and not go anywhere, you probably have sugar, brown sugar. You can drop that in there. It will take a little more time to heat up the sugar because it's a little more dense than the hard candies, but once it heats up, you're gonna get plain white cotton candy, and it actually tastes pretty good. In my opinion, I personally like this better than the berries, but that is just me. I'll put the link down below for this cotton candy machine if you're interested, and if you have any questions about it, let me know. But for now, I'm going to peace out, guys, and if you want to see more of my content, check it out right here, and stay tuned for more because I'll be posting more content weekly. See you guys.